we share the same biology, regardless of ideology, polarization, discrimination, division between groups, in groups, out groups. And what happened? They forget the commonality of all of us. We are all human beings. We have fears. We have positive experiences in the past, negative experiences. We have hopes, aspirations. We have dreams. We have our family. We have health issues. And wouldn't it be nice to connect through these commonalities instead of focusing continually on the differences of political views, or, for example, racial aspect or religious aspect? I remember the famous singer Sting said, we share the same biology. And this means that we forget that we have a very important commonality that can help us build a strong relationship with others. According to psychology, when you focus on commonality, you are more prone to build robust bond with others. Call it employees, call it customer, call it friends, call it family. Instead, when you focus on differences, you are this way, I am this way, I am the manager, you are the subordinate, well, this will bring about potential conflict, potential division, and so on.